get sick every year. I know.
But this time it's different. I'm different. I've been eating my oranges, taking my vitamins. Like, I just got my flu shot, my meningitis shot, my tetanus shot, and I even got something for Hep C.
Like, I'm definitely getting sick this year. Like, I can feel it. Like, my throat is killing me.
I totally get you. I heard the flu shots are weak as this year. Like, they're basically placebos.
Really?
Yeah, everyone's getting sick. Literally everyone.
Mom, I'm gonna have to call you back.
I don't want to die.
Megan, do you have any more hand sanitizer? That was my last one. No, not you too.
Rachel!